All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at crypto.com. Okay, we're going to be looking at the crypto.com coin that is CRO/USDT on TradingView. All right, is the chart we're looking at. TradingView is a free platform. Anybody can use it. I definitely recommend it for all beginners. Okay, so so we'll just go ahead and get right into it. We have the Fibonacci's drawn up here. Okay, we have the swing high and the swing low, and this blue line, if we bounce right here, that means we're in a strong uptrend. If we bounce off of this one right here, it means we're in a normal uptrend. We have not bounced off either one of those. Okay, so we went on this insane mega giga bull rally, right? And we fell down. We broke the strong trend line, we broke the normal trend line, and we're approaching the weak one. So all that means is that if we do find support here at 0.4607 on crow, then all that means is don't expect it to go on a mega bull rally as soon as it bounces here. Okay, and that's signifying that you may see it consolidate, or it may drop into this little box here that I have highlighted as the golden pocket. Okay, the golden pocket for crow is going to be 0.433 and 0.4607. So that tends to be a really good something known as the golden ratio. Some people call it the golden pocket. It's basically on the Fibonacci's, where typically a long-term, investment is good. Okay, because you can get in here and it may take a little bit, it may consolidate for a little bit, but a lot of times, if the thing is going to stay bullish, okay, it will bounce in here, consolidate, and eventually recover into making all-time highs. Okay, but you need to be cautious if we, don't really find support in the golden pocket. If we head down to 32 cents, we could head down to 20, 25, all the way down to 14. Okay, because that's the end. That's the bottom of this like giga bull run. Okay, now I want to show you guys how it works. Okay, because I have a tutorial in the top right hand video if you guys want to see basically how to set it up and how to draw everything the way that you see it right here, how I just drew it. Okay, and how to do it yourselves. There's a quick 5-minute tutorial. You can watch that video. But we're going to go here to the past. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this now, right? And I'm going to show you guys how the fibs work. Okay, and how you can see really what it means by like strong uptrend and things like that. Okay, so let's say we're looking in the past now, right? And we don't know about this, that it just kept rallying forward. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and zoom in here, and we're going to look. And now, okay, here we go. Now we have our swing low and our swing high. Okay, and so we're looking at the fibs. We don't know the future. We see that it's coming down. We see it didn't bounce right here. Okay, it tried to find some support right here at the green line, which was 0.35 cents at the time. Then we dropped lower, but we bounced off the blue line, which indicates that there was a strong uptrend. Okay, so boom, insane bull run, right? From what is this? From 14 cents all the way up to 41 cents, right? And then we pull back, but we bounce at 31 cents, and that was a strong uptrend. And then, as you guys can see, in the how it played out, we continued rallying. Okay, so what we're doing is because this bull run, this long-term bull run isn't really over, because all it had was a little tiny pullback and bounced off of there, indicating that, hey, this is just a tiny pullback. This is this is not the end of the bull run. Okay, so the beginning of that bull run started here, and then what we did was we went ahead and drew it to our more recent highs. Okay, so now that's basically how I got to where we're at right now. And, if we bounce in these areas, then, just be cautious. Okay. It's basically saying it's not going to be a super strong uptrend. All right. But it's saying that, hey, typically this is a good time to start getting into some long positions. All right. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm just your friend, and I'm trying to, you know, chart these things up for you, let you know what's going on with the stocks or with the cryptos. All right. And definitely I like crypto.com a lot. Um, I think that they're going to have a very nice rally after Christmas, maybe even leading into Christmas. because of the crypto.com stadium. Okay, it used to be the Staples Stadium or whatever in LA. But you know, the official name change happens on Christmas Day, and there's going to be millions of people watching you know, those NBA games in LA, and it's basically just going to be massive promotion for crypto.com, right? So the more users and, you know, the more exposure it gets, you know, people have the sentiment that the price will go up. Okay, so that's one thing that I'm really looking for in crypto.com, and a reason it is on my radar and my watch list right now. Okay, so if you guys have any you know, crypto coins you guys want me to look at, analyze for you, give you an update on, let you know where maybe some good buy zones are for some long term, or you know, hey, maybe you want to know, hey, you know, I bought it here at you know, 57 cents, 56 cents, right? And then it broke that support. Where do you think I should sell at or have a stop loss? You know, I could say, hey, well, you know, we're approaching the golden pocket. You know, you could either sell now, you know, and take a loss, or, you know, you can try to see if we bounce off support off the golden pocket, maybe average down a little bit in the golden pocket. And, you know, if we head lower, then maybe have a stop loss a little bit lower, maybe around 39 cents, something like that, just to see, you know, if we go down any further, we could be, you know, heading into a reversal. The main thing to be cautious of is that Bitcoin could hit 37K. You know, it's doubtful. You know, I'm a bull on these things, but you know, Bitcoin has been pulling back, and you know, there's some people who think it'll hit 37, and we'll just see if that happens. But I think everything's going to be going up here soon, especially when it comes to crypto. And crypto.com is definitely going to be one that will see tons and tons of, you know, branding and promotion through their LA stadium.